Hey, hello everyone. Celine from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. Um, Today I am going to be making a cleansing balm, and I'll try it on my own face. Okay, and um, I have not made this earlier. I am making it for the first time, so we'll go on with the process uh, together, and we'll see how it works together. Okay, so uh, I'll get you all to show you all what all are the ingredients, and then I'll show you all how I make it. Okay. So basically I'm using this, which is olive oil infused with carrots. You can use any oil that you like. I'm taking 70 grams of this. So let me just measure it out and I'll get your back. The next ingredient is emulsifying wax. We need to emulsify, so we're using emulsifying wax. And this is 18 grams. I'm emulsifying wax because we need to uh, emulsify the oils. So we've got the oils and the emulsifying wax. Now this, I'm going to put it on a double boiler and melt this wax, and the oil is going to heat up. I'll get you all back when this is done. So this is all melted now. Let's see what's the temperature. 160. We'll try to reduce the temperature, and then we'll add uh, the polysorbate 80 and the preservative. We can add an fragrance oil to this if you like. It's an optional thing. I'll get you back when this is cooler and it's time to add the polysorbate and the preservative. Okay guys, so this is reduced to a temperature of 108. Let me just, okay, it's at 107. So we are good to add in the other stuff like polysorbate 80. So we are adding in 8 grams of polysorbate. And we adding 1 gram of our preservative. We're using Optifin. And we are adding 1 gram of vitamin E. Give this all a good mix. Now to this, I will add a fragrance oil. Today I'm using eucalyptus mint. You can add anything and just follow the directions that's there from the manufacturer as to the amount that you can use. I did 2 grams. You all will have to check on your manufacturer's website as to what is the recommendations that they have. Mix, mix, mix. Put it into this. This is a 4-ounce container which is filled up. Now we let it cool. So we'll let this cool and then I'll get you all back. Okay. Okay guys, so this is solidified. I mean, this will solidify even more. It's still slightly warm to the touch. So let's see. Okay. So and you can the cleansing effect. See? Washes off clean. No residue left. Feels nice and soft. So if you'll feel like doing a double cleansing after removing your makeup, or you just want to remove your makeup with the balm, you can do that. I'm having makeup on. I normally would remove my makeup with the cleansing uh, water, and then micellar water, and then I do the double uh, cleansing. Then I use the cleansing balm. So that's what I normally do. But you can do it without even, you can just do it directly on your makeup to remove makeup residue, sunscreen, or whatever, residue from the entire day. So guys, that's about it for this video. Hope you like the video, and see you soon in the next one. Please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps out, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.